Hello and welcome to AC Entertainment Technologies and this, the Nexo IDS312 Column Sub. The Nexo ID series of speakers enable you to create the perfect immersive audio experience. The IDS312 is the dedicated subwoofer for the ID84 column speakers. The 3x12-inch sub has a convenient mounting system for connecting the ID84 cabinet on top, creating a full range system that's 2 meters in height. For horizontally mounted applications, it features rubber strips to isolate vibration. The IDS312 has a peak SPL of 138 dB and a frequency response of 40 Hz to 120 Hz. It's lightweight, powerful and easy to transport. There's a variety of accessories including the VNT BP600 baseplate, a single unit transport bag or the full flight case to suit 2 subs. It's also available in custom colours. Working with the ID84, the system is suited to corporate and live events, installs, theatre and stage, houses of worship and hospitality.